Whoa, motherfucker. Well, this car keep tripping, and I was going to do like a walk around and all that because I started on the interior, you know, and do everything I was working on. But it seemed like as soon as I got to doing that, everything else started going wrong. So I'm here at European Motor Works right now to see. I will admit immediately that I have no knowledge of anything Volkswagen, but these gentlemen are the guys to see. When you got a Volkswagen and you live in like the LA Harbor area, these are the guys you go to.
Okay, so the Type 4 case, and we're gonna do
oil galley plugs. You tap and plug them?
Yeah.
Okay. Oil galleys are these guys right here. They're aluminum plugs, and you know, these things are almost 50 years old, so it doesn't happen often, but they could pop. So they could pop, and all your oil pressure is lost and blow your engine. So it's kind of a precautionary thing.
As you see, if you would have saw my face as they were saying that, even though I was holding the camera, I looked like I had no idea of any of this. I just paid the dude and say, please make it work. And then as it breaks, I just come and pay the dude to keep fixing it.
So I'll check the crank, and
Yeah,
we'll
check the
heads.
crank. More than likely, just polish on the crank. Heads.
Okay.
I'm thinking guides. But
Well, probably do a
measure all
valve
that.
job. We'll check the valve guides. You know,
Okay.
most likely we'll have to replace them. Like I say, on the one that's cracked, we'll put an insert in there, and that'll prevent the crack from progressing all the way back over the other way. So once I get those clean, that's where we'll fix there. Okay.
Right
Wait, you know what? That's not 6 feet, but I'm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get up. We gotta do a.
It's gonna affect the elderly more than anybody. We don't want to kill off our poor old people.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Well, I'm 40, so I'm kind of teetering toward that elderly phase.
Yeah.
A lot of people have already had it. They don't realize it.
They
They-
they got it. Yeah. So,
the elderly I heard are most vulnerable, or anyone with pre-existing conditions.
This,
Right?
yeah.
Hey. Good. What's happening?
So you're gonna build a stock engine, or?
Yeah. Okay.
You know what? No.
Unless we get her. And they're made in Brazil instead of getting a Chinese carburetor.
Oh, okay. So I don't have to get that crappy empty.
You don't have to get that crappy empty. You can go which is the Brosol brand, which is made in Brazil, which is a better brand. So this is the way this works. So, and it works really well. So.
And how much is that adapter? And
The adapter is like $15, and the carburetor is about $100 and some odd dollars. I got to check it out and see exactly, how much it is.
Speaking of that, I was pondering on a purchase today on that, so because I want to kind of get this car up and running before next week.
Okay, so let me check on the pricing, and I'll let you know. So basically, this is the way this works. So this goes on here, and this goes on here, and then that's like if it was your carburetor, and then you'll take these little Allen bolts, and they'll go here, and they'll bolt onto your carburetor. So you'll have the smaller carburetor on top, and then your large pattern manifold on the bottom.
Okay. Cool. Thank you so much.
So let me check and see if they have them available. 3031 quick. Call and see if they have some stock.
Oh, delivery's on the side door, huh? Okay. So in 2020, right? And due of the situation going on in the world, this is how you handle business. And so meet you on the side, right? Okay. No, we want to stick to policy so we don't make any trouble. All right. And see, I didn't even like it because I was like, if I hoof, all sales are not final. Okay, I got to do something real quick. I'll be back. I see. I got him on camera this time.
I'm not running. I'm talking about last time.
He said he didn't run. I don't know. I turned the camera on and I heard the scampering of little feet.
Not even.
Hey, you know what's crazy? You know you my neighbor down there.
Where's that?
You're riding on 139.
Uh-huh.
I saw your bug for like years, and your bug
just sitting there.
sitting there. I was like, I never see it move.
Yeah. It sat there for about a year and a half. And then I got the job here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just started learning more. I thought I knew
About
this
bugs.
stuff before. I don't know shit.
That's why I don't say anything. That's why like people be like telling me stuff on my car. I'm like, I'm gonna take your advice because I'm not sure that I know.
A grain of salt, because you don't know if they know what the fuck you're talking about either.
Yeah.
You know.
So I'm testing it out. Like, let me see what they about. And they kind of know. Because my friend made me spend like all that money I spent on the ignition, assuming that was going to fix the problem. I should take this out the thing, but I'm not. Because I thought that was the problem. But then the car did the same exact thing. What happens is it idles, fine, right? And then all of a sudden it go, oh, and it's like it's almost about to die. Then it goes back.
That was happening to the boss, and he found that his brake line was sitting on top of that manifold, the intake on the sides. Mm-hmm. Do you have dual manifold?
No, I got manifolds. I got J-pipes.
I'm saying though, like when you're on the intakes, does it come out into the little boots, and then the carburetor sits on that?
I think so.
Then that's dual port, but there's two at the end. Those things get hot, and that's where the gas line comes up and rests right on top of that. They found out now that with the ethanol they're putting in the gas boils at a lower temperature now.
So what can I do about
It's
I'm gonna have
vapor
to change. That's vapor lock.
It's vapor, so you gotta change the line. It doesn't say nothing hot. So that line sitting there getting hot, as it's passing, it's boiling, and then it's fighting, and then it's gonna want to, and it's off.
So buying this carburetor was just a waste of my money just now. Basically.
Not necessarily. So don't use it yet. See if you can do what I told you. Reline the hoses away from the heat, and then see if that helps.
Okay.
So don't use it yet. Just put it on. Try that first, and then as a matter of fact, I'm off right now, so I'm about to go to the shop, but I'll check it out right now when I come back outside. So hang out for a second.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
All right. Cool.
Bye, man.
Sorry, just for.
So that horn button, the horn button with the Wolf logo, that comes off. Yeah, you pry that off with a screwdriver. Underneath that is a big bolt and a washer. Take that off. That's it.
And that's it.
That's it.
Okay, then once I take that off, it's just pretty much.
Yeah, there's like a giant bolt in the washer, like you said, and then you just take the
Yeah.
bolt off and then
Take it
pull
off.
the steering wheel
And the
out,
whole steering wheel comes off.
you'll
Now,
see
Do y'all need the steering wheel pull and all that?
no, it comes off. Maybe you need a little, but
might
it comes
need to
off.
cut
But
a little
the
bit.
steering wheel has splines. Like the lines that are right there on your speaker, that's spline. So when you take it off and you put it back in, making sure that it's aligned right and slide it back in, like even. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So before you take it off, I would align your wheels so that they're straight. And then you take it off, so when you put it back in, the wheels are straight.
Even like later on, if it's still like a little bit off,
You can always change it.
pull it out and just kind of adjust it a little bit.
And then put it back. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
And that's it. And then on the side, underneath, there should be a screw underneath right here. Somewhere right around there. Mm-hmm. You undo that screw off, and the whole turn signal switch comes off of the shaft.
And then.
But make sure that your electrical components are disconnected.
So unplug the
But
battery.
take a picture where they go, or tape it and mark it. This goes to here, this goes to there, so you can put it back.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because that's what I was supposed to be doing, spending my money to get the carburetor figured out, finish the interior, and getting the turn signals and the brake lights to finally work, so I can feel comfortable driving
Yeah,
it.
absolutely.
Because it's like right now at this point it's like
That's what you do in the old school, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you do that,
I
yeah.
did that for the first year or two with this.
Yeah.
I had turn signal. The guy he rewired it. I fucked up the wire so badly because he wanted some heated seats, these Porsche seats, and he hooked them up, which caused a fire eventually. But I took care of that. But the back, he painted them with reflective paint so that when somebody,
Color coordinated.
so that it was shine when it wasn't on,
Right.
Because it had no power back there.
Right.
So then finally I had to use turn signals.
Right.
And in Long Beach, a cop was like, "You need help?" I'm like, "No, I'm just making a left turn." He's like, "All right," and he kept going. But yeah, man. So yeah, when do you usually stay home?
huh?
When are you usually at home working on the car?
Shoot, I can't even work on my car at home. That's the
Really?
That's why I just been getting Orlando to I've been everything.
You have no spot to work on the car?
No tools either.
That's something you got to get tools.
Yeah.
At the very basic, your 10s, your 11s, your 13s, 17s, like a basic set, dude. You need that idiot's book. That tells you everything in there. All the tools that you'll need. They have phase 1 for road, phase 2 for big motor work. Yeah, they have all kinds of, but you definitely need basic tool set in your car. Definitely.
And
a fire extinguisher is most important.
I've learned over the years to carry tools with me.
Always.
Miscellaneous, filters, throttle cables.
If you have a bus, you can put a whole car engine in that thing, but not for a bug, Just the essentials, the essentials to get you home, That's it.
Hey, what do you guys think are the best boots on? Spring loaded or?
No. Spring loaded or garbage.
Yeah.
They're awesome and they're easy to put in without taking the motor out, but they leak. And their springs are never good. I've never heard of those. He might have. I've never heard of those.
Screw out thing.
All I know is the stock ones. And I know that you pull the stock ones out a little
You
bit.
gotta pull the head to get those off.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, they're the best ones. Mike Durkee, he's telling me the same thing. He always goes for the stock one. Never for the adjustable one. He said back in the day they used to be good, but now the spring tension and the quality is just nope.
Yeah, well now they make a screw out one.
Yeah, I never heard of that one. Interesting.
Okay, this is gonna be my best vlog ever. I swear to God. I'm in love right now. I'm just the VW community. I did not understand this.
Yeah, horn grounding.
My horn just said.
But you park in your garage?
Yeah, my parking garage.
Okay, is it like a little like?
Yeah, I got a parking space on the ground and
Yeah,
everything.
your top also has a little like storage area at the end of the garage up top.
No, I'm gonna just carry my stuff up and start carrying it
All
up.
right. But yeah, man. When it comes to dropping certain stuff, that's when you need more space. But for doing like just changing turn signals, like this job you're talking about, you can do that in your spot.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, because he did Orlando did the whole, in my parking spot. He did my whole motor and
I'm
transmission.
telling you, yeah. You have to call, pay with the credit card, and then he'll bring you the part. We can't do cash.
ATM, whatever. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we can't
Yeah,
do
because
that
they
until
don't.
the 31st.
Oh, really?
Yeah, according to Mayor Garcetti, that's what he said. Yeah.
Hey, I got a question, man. My oil sensor, I took it off, it had shavings on it.
Oil sensor?
Yeah, the sensor.
Which one?
The one in the back of the motor. Anyways, I put it back in.
All right. We're gonna check those out and come right back. Freaking cool. All right. That's freaking cool. What's this, like a 59?
61.
61? Okay. I used to swerve. Sounds good too. Sounds good too.
I said Herbie meets Swervy.
Yeah. I'm starting to
That's
post my.
Herbie right there.
Yeah, I got a.
Maybe not the original.
No, it's actually from the not from the original movie, but from the
The car shows.
no, from the actual movie.
So this is the original Herbie.
Not from the original Herbie, but from the Lindsay Lohan.
from the new movie.
Yeah,
the new movie. I got
fully
you.
loaded. Yeah, it was the green screen car, and so I'm like trying to convert it into actual.
Is it yours or?
Yeah, it's mine. Yeah.
Nice.
Of course.
Nice.
They actually had a big Herbie meetup somewhere in the Midwest not so long ago. Yeah.
And when the guy told me like it was a Herbie, I was like, oh, for real? I gotta buy it.
Tell me to turn mine into Horace.
That would be
rival
dope.
of him. Yeah, but like you can't see out of it. All this is blocked off. Blacked
Oh yeah,
out.
it's blacked out. Yeah.
You can't see out of it. And the only window here is a circle like this. That's it. It's blind spotted everywhere. It's death trap. Like no, it would be cool, but no. Yeah, this is mine.
Well, you could. They got the plastic, that wrap that they do for the cars. They got the like I guess variegated, whatever you call it, where it has where you can see through it, where you can see through it, but it's
little dots in it.
little dots, so
Yeah.
it looks like you can't see out of it, but you got all of it.
I can barely see out these stickers.
I can barely see.
You know, I can barely see out these stickers, man.
Thanks.
Cool.
All right.
But yeah, dude.
What's your 69, 70?
69.
69?
Yeah.
So if I did a little cheating, I'd put the early style stuff on it. So.
Yeah, I did it with
I think I could do it. I don't know. I'm a weirdo, I guess. I love the way the even the flat bumpers. I love them. Like I had a '68 convertible. I loved it. I don't know what it was. It seemed a little sporty to me. Once you like slam them on the ground, you could go 2 liter and you don't feel like too bad. You're like, okay, I can kind of say this is a
I had a
fake
lot of
Porsche.
guys who got 2 liters and they regret it. They're like, they can't cruise. Like on the street, they can't cruise. It's too much power. It needs more oomph, and then they can't give it to them unless they're on the freeway or on a track. Yeah, but when they're out here, they're like, fuck, dude. They're always like between half and first and second gear. Mine has a feeder flyer in there.
Yeah, mine too.
So I'm never comfortably between first and second or third. I'm always right in the middle. I'm like, dude, like, why is it? And then I talked to Mike. He was like, you have an advanced transmission, not stock. I'm like, oh, I'm more comfortable with stock transmissions. They're just perfect. For me.
Get a third.
All right, man, take it easy. Man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Because I'm trying to figure out I want to do that. And so I got to go to the interior
That's
guy.
the original. They
Glove
came
box.
out the factory glove box.
Oh crap!
They were
I fucked
paper.
up.
They were paper.
I fucked up.
I mean, yeah, but they don't last anymore. So I mean, you know, you didn't cut it for the radio, but whatever. Like, it's
I was like, I'd rather cut that than the dash. That's about like.
absolutely. Yeah.
I was like, what do you sacrifice? Dash or?
I mean, those things don't last long anyway. Those, you know, they're not gonna last forever. That thing either. So we have the plastic ones, the plastic black ones. That's what we have now. Those are the original ones.
Yeah, because
We
my
have
friend
these too.
that covers that.
Yeah, we have those too. Little thing right there.
So I got to create. Oh, it already has a hole. Okay.
Yeah, this is how you adjust your steering if you have too much play. This is where you take out your shift rod through here. When you're switching the shift bushing in your shifter, that long rod and the square in the back, that all comes up through there. I did that one time.
Oh crap!
Yeah, it was a hard job, but it wasn't that crazy. And then my girlfriend helped me grease the front underneath the beam. Has these little like Zerk fittings, and you grease it through there until the grease comes out the sides. And she helped me one time, and she's like, "I helped you do many things in this car. I'll never help you do that again." She's like, "She hated greasing the car." She's like, "Nope, that's all you."
My friend, like I'm having a debate with my friend right now on should I keep it Herbie or should I go on and paint it? I want to paint it back original red since it's red. I'm like, let me go back original. Yeah, it's a Herbie, but it's not. It's 1 of 43.
Oh, okay.
So I was like,
right here.
1 of 43, or do I go and?
The hood down, and he says that he has right-handed ones, but it's a left-handed one.
So I'm trying to figure. That's my big debate right now with myself. Is should I leave it a Herbie? But I gotta make it not so ugly because to me it's ugly. I mean,
Right, I get
my
you.
buddy like keep it like this, it'd be worth more money. But I'm like, yeah, it's a Herbie, but
Is
it's
that yours?
not. Yeah, it's a Herbie, but it's not. Okay, see, this is kind of stuff that wind does. Come on, Mother Nature, you silly bitch.